Sunday will be a day to give the final send-off. And I would like to clarify something which has been in the press. This matter of where the grave of Raila or where he will be interred, the particular spot. The press has been saying that in Raila's will, he said he wanted to be buried next to his mother, and that we have verified it, and now we are burying him next to his father. Nothing could be far from the truth. Raila, I have seen the will, and it clearly states that he would like to be buried next to, in the place where his mother and father are buried. In the place where his father and mother are buried. So father and mother are buried at Nyamira Kang, Ramogi. And that is where Raila is going to be buried, at Kango Ramogi, where his father and mother are buried. Whether the grave is next to the mother or next to the father, that is now a detail which he did not say, and I don't know why it is important to you, whether it is next to the mother or the father. Both of them are his parents. Both of them are his parents, and that was our decision. And I thank you all. I thank you all, and only plead for peace. Thank you.